Hey girl, hey, if you want to see how I installed this really cute burgundy bob wig from True Glory Hair, stay tuned. Alright love, so this is the final look. Make sure that you go ahead and check out True Glory Hair. Information in the description box down below. I love the wig. It's super light and airy, as y'all can see. Like, I love that, especially since it's summer. I definitely feel like this is the perfect go-to summer wig, and if you want to try some color, why not, baby? So make sure that y'all check out the link down below if you want this exact wig because it's real cute, y'all. You don't have to go in and dye anything, and it's already just done for you. Okay, so I did put this on glueless. I didn't have to use any glue, and it is on there nice and snug, as y'all can see. Real nice and snug, and I love that. So yeah, check out True Glory hair. Also guys, make sure that you don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe so that I know that you guys like these type of videos and I can continue to keep bringing them to you. I will see y'all in my next video.